Hey guys, welcome to my first Blender tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to make Among Us in Blender. The first thing you need to do is you need to go over here, go on icosphere. Where you see subdivisions, you can set this to whatever you want, but what subdivisions does is it makes the circle look smoother. I'd recommend 5 or 6, but if your computer can't handle it for whatever reason, you can lower it. Okay, so now what you want to do is you want to go into the sculpting tab. Click on it. Here, you can see we have a brush. Now what you're going to want to do is you want to draw the glass thing, I don't know. Now that you've done that, you forgot what tool it was. Doesn't matter. Yeah, so what you want to do now is you want to make the legs or something. I'm just gonna make this scene more visible, even it out more. Now that we have that sorted out, we need to do the backpack. Grab tool now. Now that you've done that, you want to add more onto the backpack. What you want to do is you want to add color. So go into the texture paint settings. Now what you want to do is you want to go over here, see where it says no textures. Press the plus and go into base color. Okay? Now you can draw on it. Okay guys, now you have your Among Us. Look the layout, it still looks like that for some reason. Go. Texture paint. Oh yeah, if you want to fill in any loose gaps, you want to go in the texture paint and then just do that basically. Cover up all the holes. That's it guys, thanks for watching, and I'll just, yeah, like and comment. Do not dislike. I hope you guys liked the tutorial. Bye.